Doug forgot to get away from the rain.
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do do ba do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do.
I used to protect him. Now he protects me.
You wanna go down? Go ahead. Go play. What's it first? I love you.
It's me. Hi, I'm your bestie. It's me.
Estos paquetes mortifiques, mastiques, tragues, mastiques.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
You ready to show off? Get it.
So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity, so this
C, D, E, F, G, H. I love you still, and you know I always will till the end.
They gon' take your face off, they gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. It's about drive, it's about power, we stay hungry, we devour. Put in the...
Who? What? Who got into my food? Oh my God. You little shit. Satan, was that you? Did you get into my food? Why, you little shit.
do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god. She's like, I know, I want to go home. She's like, I want to go home.
I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.
1. Forking. 2. Hippity hops. 3. Full pinwheel.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
كده
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga.
我想偷偷望呀望一望他，假装是。
What you know about rolling down in the deep when you rain going on? You can call that mental freeze when these people